Let's talk about the dog. In fact, the dog is a copy of an ancient chess piece named the Wassia, that you can find in some ancient chess games, like Korea chess. But somehow, this piece has been quickly removed from chessboards for some reason I'll not explain here. Anyway, in Chesscraft, the dog moves and attacks one square orthogonally. It looks like a crow, but range 1, which doesn't allow it to jump over other pieces, which is in fact worse than a crow. Yeah, this piece is really bad. Some people may say that this is like a Furz but orthogonally, but as I said for the crow, the diagonal movement of the Furz will be always better against a pawn structure than a dog which would be easily trapped. So, this piece seems to be slow, weak, and useless, the type of piece we all like to play with. However, I'm pretty sure we can do something really cool with the dog if we create some board to prove that he can be useful. What a coincidence, I was about to ask you to create a board for this purpose. So, feel free to create a board featuring the dog, but perhaps this time with not too complicated pieces to make the dog have its own purpose on this board. You can put the 3 letters code of your creation in the comments below, and I will select the best of them which I will play in my next video. And of course, if your board is selected, you will have your name in the title. Wow, so I wait for your creations, even if I know that some of you are attracted by much interesting videos, but anyway. I will all see you in my next video. What? This is the second time this happens. Let's see. Oh, not again.
The prophecy is true.